If your microphone is not working in Audacity, don't worry. In this video, I'm going to walk you through the exact fixes step by step so you can get your mic detected and a recording again as quickly as possible. This is especially helpful if Audacity was already open when you plugged in your microphone, because in many cases, it won't automatically recognize the new device until you refresh it. If this video helps, make sure to hit that like button and subscribe for more quick software tutorials just like this. First, let's deal with the most common issue. If you plugged your microphone in after opening Audacity, Audacity may not see it yet. To fix that, go to the transport menu at the top, then choose Rescan Audio Devices. This forces Audacity to look again for any connected microphones, headphones, and audio inputs. Once you do that, give it a moment and check whether your mic appears. Next, look at the audio setup button in the middle of the top toolbar. This is one of the most important places to check because this is where you can choose the right input device. Open Audio Setup and make sure your specific microphone is selected under Input Device. If the wrong device is selected, Audacity may be listening to your laptop's built-in microphone instead of the one you actually want to use. If you see multiple options, take your time and choose the correct microphone name so you know you're recording from the right source. Now, if you're on Windows and Audacity still isn't detecting your mic, the problem may be a system privacy setting. In that case, go to Settings, then Privacy, and then Microphone. Here, make sure that Allow Desktop Apps to access your microphone is turned on. This setting is crucial because Audacity is a desktop app, and if access is blocked, it won't be able to use your microphone no matter what you select inside the program. After turning that on, go back to Audacity and test your input again. If it still isn't working, there's one more setting that can make a big difference. In the Audio Setup toolbar, look at the Host option. For Windows users, try switching between MME, which is the most compatible option, and Windows WASAPI, which works better for some USB microphones. Different microphones and audio drivers respond better to different host modes, so if one doesn't work, the other often will. After switching, check your input meter and try recording a short test clip. That will help you confirm whether Audacity is finally receiving audio from your microphone. If you can see the input levels moving, that means your mic is working correctly. If not, go back through the steps carefully and make sure the right microphone, the right Windows privacy permission, and the right host mode are all selected. These small settings are usually the reason Audacity says your microphone isn't working, and once they're corrected, the problem is often solved in just a couple of minutes. So to quickly recap, rescan audio devices, choose the correct input device in Audio Setup, enable microphone access in Windows privacy settings, and switch the host mode if needed. Follow those steps in order, and in most cases, your mic will start working in Audacity again. If this tutorial helped you fix the issue, please give it a thumbs up and subscribe for more easy audio and software fixes. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next video.